Okay, so we've made it to our third and final way of using our essential oils, and that is internally. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do oils internally. One is you can add them to things that you're cooking. So you can replace dried herbs and instead use like basil or thyme or oregano essential oil. The other way that you can do that is you can add oils to your water. The key, though, is that you're using glass or stainless steel. The essential oils can erode away plastic, and so you don't want to be breaking down your solo cup while you're trying to drink your oils out of it. I also, as another tip, like to use the stainless steel straw because the oils are going to sit on the top of your water, and so that kind of helps you from getting a big glug of just essential oil. The great thing about Young Living is that we have our Vitality line of oils. These are, they're labeled Vitality, but they also have a white label, whereas most of the oils have like a colored label. So the Vitality oils are specifically labeled for internal use, which is fabulous. The third way that some people use the essential oils internally is they get empty gel caps from their health food store or from Amazon, and you can fill a couple drops of essential oil in there with typically olive oil is a really good carrier oil to add to that. And then you can literally just take your oils like you would a supplement. The last way, now this is not something that you have in your kit, but you can also check out Young Living has a ton of supplements, and those are, they've actually infused essential oils into different products to help support your overall wellness. So that might be a really great thing for you to check out when you're ready to reorder some stuff. All right, so enjoy some essential oil infused water.